Looking for a powerful yet affordable robot vacuum? Meet the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S40, a smart cleaning companion that packs impressive suction and precise navigation into a budget-friendly package. Available now across Europe and the UK, you can grab this model directly from Xiaomi for just under £170 in the UK or about €200 in Germany. Shipping is free and quick, with a hassle-free 14-day return policy. The S40's charging station is compact and unobtrusive. Unlike some high-end models, it doesn't come with self-cleaning or automatic dust disposal features. Instead, it's a simple dock to recharge the vacuum, so you'll need to empty its dustbin yourself. Speaking of which, the dustbin holds up to 520 milliliters, enough for multiple cleaning sessions, but smaller than some premium models. Battery life is solid, offering up to 180 minutes on a single charge, plenty of time to cover an entire apartment or medium-sized home without interruptions. Navigation is powered by LiDAR technology, providing the S40 with precise room mapping and obstacle avoidance. This means your floors get thorough coverage without missed spots or random wandering. What really sets this vacuum apart is its suction power, an impressive 10,000 pascals, designed to tackle dirt and debris even on carpets. It features a specially designed brush that resists hair tangling, along with a hair-resistant side brush, making it easier to maintain. However, the mopping function is basic. Instead of active scrubbing or rotating mop heads, the S40 simply drags a damp mop cloth behind it. It's suitable for light cleaning, but don't expect deep stain removal or heavy-duty wet cleaning. So, what are the key takeaways? On the plus side, powerful suction, precise LiDAR navigation, long battery life, and a budget-friendly price. On the downside, no self-emptying base, limited mop capabilities, and a smaller dustbin. For those seeking efficient, no-frills cleaning with strong suction and smart navigation without breaking the bank, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S40 is definitely worth considering.